What is elimination reaction? Okay, it is also called as dehydrohalogenation. Another name is dehydrohalogenation. What is the meaning of this hydrohalogenation? Let us take example. So when alkyl halides are reacted with or heated with alcoholic alkali, let us take KOH. Alcoholic means we have added solid KOH in alcohol. Okay, we have added in alcoholic. Now, when you heat it, what will happen? Alkene will form. So this would be the product, and then KBr and water will form. So in this reaction, there is a loss of Br from this carbon and H from this carbon. Therefore, this is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. But what will happen in this reaction? See how it will take place. This alcoholic KOH, if you take alcoholic KOH, for example, alcohol we are using CH3, CH2OH. This is the alcohol. And if you add this, if you react these two, this OH minus will take this proton and this will make ethoxide or alkoxide ion. This is called as ethoxide ion plus water, and this K will be an association. These are very strong. This is a very strong base. So what will happen? This base, when this base comes near this alkyl halide, for example, see this ethyl chloride. Now see, so this base, ethoxide base, I can write like this O minus situation. So what will happen? This base cannot attack at this carbon. Why? Because this Br is also carry electrons here. So this carbon is and also blocked. So this OC2, this is a very strong base. It is not nucleophile. So this ethoxide ion will attack which carbon? Adjacent carbon. This is the alpha carbon. This is the beta carbon. What is alpha carbon? Alpha carbon is the carbon at which functional group is attached. Here, alpha carbon is the carbon at which halogen is attached. Here, bromine is attached. So when you take this one, and what is this beta carbon? What is meaning of beta carbon? The carbon attached to alpha carbon is called as beta carbon. So this base, there are three hydrogens here. We'll take one of them, one hydrogen, and will abstract that proton. Once it is abstract this proton, so this bond negative charge will shift here and bromine go out. It's a very fast reaction, SN2 type mechanism, and we can say it will form ethene, alkene, right? So in this see, beta carbon is being attacked. In this beta carbon is being attacked. This is alpha carbon, and here it is a beta carbon. This is the beta carbon. So beta carbon is being attacked by this alkoxide ion, which is a very strong base. This attacking here. So beta carbon is involving in the reaction. Therefore, this reaction is also called as beta elimination. What is the meaning of beta elimination reaction? The reaction in which beta carbon is attacked by the strong base and proton is abstracted from that beta carbon. Such reactions are called as beta elimination, and this H, this Br will lost, and there is a formation of double bond, carbon-carbon double bond. There are two hydrogen here. Right? That's all. Next important point is, if there are two beta carbons, so this is okay. So if there are two beta carbons, so what will happen? Let us take example. For example, see, I am writing here CH3, CH, CH, CH3, Br, and let us have a same reaction. You can write like this also. And how it is generated? We can write alcoholic KOH, ALC dot KOH. Now what will happen? When you take this will generate this. Anyhow, this alcoholic KOH will generate this. This will attack, and now this is also beta carbon, alpha carbon, beta carbon. Now question is, which beta carbon is attacked? Both beta carbon will be attacked. Both beta carbon will be attacked. Okay, this also, this also. So there are two alkene formation. There are two alkene formation. So if this is attacked, so this will be alkene. Yeah, and if this is attacked, so that will be alkene. So this is two beta carbon. If three beta carbons are there, so three compounds will form. But which one is major? So Sezef says that Sezef rule will be applied. Sezef rule says that more substituted carbons having double bond will be major. So here you circle the double bonded carbon and count the hydrogen. So here there are two hydrogens only on double bonded carbon, where here there are three hydrogens. So this will be major, this will be minor. So this is what about the elimination reaction. It is also called as dehydrogenation, or also called as beta elimination reaction.